Whenever we're looking at registration on the Eventory platform through 6Connex, we want to take a look at a couple different factors. One of those is how easy it is to register your people into your event. Now, this registration is set up with a couple of quick questions, being able to create that account, and then going forward to the registration form that asks a couple of questions for them to be able to access the environment. To create this registration form, all you have to do is go into your admin panel inside the Eventory backend, go to registration, select registration form. Once you're there, you can add any questions you want to this registration panel. You can pick from our selected list of common questions, or you can always import your own questions into this registration panel. After that information is filled out by the user, you're then able to have this information in the backend inside the communication and community engagement statistics in your admin control panel on the left. Please let us know if you have any questions at all.